How to use Docusign, complete Docusign tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be exploring Docusign and teach you how you will be able to use this as a beginner. Let's get started. Right now, I already logged in and created my account. It's very easy to create your account. All you need to do is to enter the necessary information and then verify your email. After that, you will be redirected to this page over here. Now, currently, we are using a trial version. As you can see, we only have 33 days for our trial over here. And there is some plans that you would need to buy or avail to before you could use Docusign permanently. And as you can see, over here right now, we are currently at home. There is Manage, Templates, Reports, and Settings over here at the top. These are the different things you can do. You have your section over here where you can drop in your documents that you would like to send to other people. And you can also create your e-signature in this section. You could go and click to Manage. In this Manage, this is where you will be able to see your inbox, your sent, your draft, your deleted. You could also do bulk send and power forms, but that is locked for us, so we can't use that. There's also action required over here, waiting for others, expiring soon, completed, and authentication failed options over here so that you can see what is happening around with your own items. You can also create folders over here. When you click on new folder, you could create a new folder that you could use. So let's say test for now. Click on create. And now we will have our own folder over here below that we could use to store our different emails or even different items that we have used in our documents over here. You can check out your inboxes over here, like the different documents being sent to us. You can also check out the sent, which is the documents that we are sending. You can click on Start Now over here. Click on Start Now, and we will be creating an envelope. As you can see, unable to create an envelope, so we won't be able to use this for our account because we are using only a free version, so we won't be able to access this yet. But if you would like to access or buy a plan, you could use this option over here. There's also templates over here. When you click on templates, templates are for recreating or saving your time for when you use the same envelope or same documents and like recipients and fields, as you can see here. And we can create a template over here. For example, we will be able to create like recipients, placeholders, and tags, all of those stuff, so that we can easily add them to your envelope whenever you need them. So we won't be able to use that as well because it is not available for our feature or our plan. There's also some reports over here. As you can see, in this section, you will be able to see or check out the different reports regarding the documents that you have sent. You can see your dashboard, administrator dashboard, and you can see your report type over here. You have your all, envelope, recipient, usage, custom, and downloads over here. You won't be able to see anything yet because we haven't sent or received any type of envelope yet, but you will be able to see information about those information in this section. Now, how do you send a document in Docusign? You can simply go here back to home. Let's click on home over here, and over here you can simply drag or drop your documents into this section. You can also create your own e-signature by clicking on this option, which would allow you to create your own e-signature. As you can see here, this is our name, and let's change our name to a shorter version, just like that, and then it will suggest like a sign for us that we could use for our documents. As you can see here, these are all suggested signs. You have one for initials over here. There's different options that you could choose from, and you could use it on your documents, or if you would like, or if you like the design, you could use it for your personal signature as well. As you can see here, you can simply edit it and it will suggest some signatures available for you to use. As you can see here, you can also draw it on your own over here by drawing your signature like that. You could draw however you would like. You could clear this and you could draw until you are able to get the signature that you are trying to get. You can also upload a photo of your signature. You can simply sign it on a piece of paper, scan it, turn it to a vector, and upload it here so that you will be able to use the signature that you use in real life as well. But for us, let's say I choose a specific signature over here in this section, a random one. Let's go with this one. Click this and create. And we will be able to use this signature for all of our document that we will be sending to other people. And let's wait for it to load. And while waiting for that, let's click and upload our document. When you click this, you will be able to upload the document just like this. And for me, I have this feature over here, which is for Opera, so I can easily navigate through the different items that I have. And I have this document that I have over here, logistic management analysis. So it is currently creating an envelope based on the document that I have added. And earlier we created our e-signature, so that e-signature will be attached to our document as well. And the server encountered an error, so let's try and refresh our Docusign over here. And let's see if we will be able to fix the error happening right now with our Docusign. Let's give it some time to load, and we will check out and try again when we send another document. Now let's go back to home and let's check it out if we will be able to do it once again. There seems to be an issue with Docusign right now, so let's bear with it and create our document once again. I think it didn't create our signature from earlier, so let's do it again. Let's select our e-signature over here, click on create, and let's see if we will be able to create it this time. And there we go, we were able to create our e-signature this time. Let's upload our document over here, and it's creating an envelope. And let's see if we will be able to continue off from earlier. And over here, we're going to have to upload it again. So we're going to upload our file. Here, Logistic Manager Analysis. Upload it here. And as you can see, it will upload our document over here. It will attach e-signature to this specific document. We could add our recipient in this section. Okay, lower this down. Right now, we have no recipient, but you can enter their name and email over here. For example, the name is Chris, and then the email is christesting@gmail.com. There we go. And then we could add this person as a recipient, and then you could add more people over here. You could also add a message if you would like to add a message, like an email message, email subject, stuff like that. You could also have a reminder over here. After this, you can simply click on next, and we will be able to proceed and send a specific email to the person that we have added to the recipient. And as you can see here also, you will be able to edit the document that you have created over here. You could add your signature. You see, let's say I put it over here. This is going to be where our signature will appear. You could add your initial, stamp, date sign, like the name, like my name, the email, the company, title, text, number, checkbox, drop down, radio, drawing, formula, attachment, and all of these different elements. You could add it to your documents over here, adding more information to it. Basically, you could edit the document with some customized information like the initial, all of those stuff. You could put it on whatever page that you have over here. You could see it over here on the right side. Now we are adding initial and sign over here. And you can simply now, after doing this, you could also check out this custom fields and pre-filled tools over here. After doing this, after adding the fields that you would like to add, you can simply click on send over here, or you could even preview it by clicking on preview on the top. And let's wait for it to send. Let's see if we will be able to preview it even after sending over here. I don't think we will be able to preview, so either way, we were able to send our first envelope, and there we go. Now they will send it back if ever they would like to reply, and you can simply send emails back and forth to each other. And let's check it out on our sent in the envelope section over here in manage, if we will be able to find our sent envelope that we have just created. And there we go, this is our sent envelope, and the status is waiting for others, as you can see here. And we have our document over here. Let's see if we will be able to preview it, and let's simply wait for it to open. And this will be our document that is created by Docusign. See, this is a PDF. I don't think it added our the signature, but you can see like there is some ID code over here at the top left so that you would know this is an envelope created by Docusign. There's also some plans with Docusign. We can check out the different plans. You can click on view plans. And like I said earlier, there is no free version for Docusign. There is only for personal, standard, and business pro. And for the personal, you will have to pay $10 per month, $25 per month, and $40 per month. And for monthly, it's going to be different. It's going to be 15, 45, and 65 over here, as you can see. And you will see the core features of the different plans over here. For the personal, you have 5 envelopes per month. For the standard, you have all of this feature. And for the business pro, you all have this feature over here. You can also have enhanced plans over here. You will have to talk to the Docusign itself to be able to talk about the specific plan that you would like to have. And that's it, guys. That is how you will be able to use Docusign. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.